Introducing the 2021 Ford Kuga ST-Line, a powerful and stylish SUV in eye-catching red. With low mileage and a 2.5-litre petrol plug-in hybrid engine, this automatic transmission vehicle is fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly. Packed with comfort, safety, and technology features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and smart card entry, this car offers a luxurious driving experience. Plus, with security features like privacy glass and trailer stability program, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit hillsford.co.uk or call us today to learn more about this incredible Ford Kuga ST-Line.